Welcome. In this video, I'm going to explain to you MessengerPanda user admin panel. Now, MessengerPanda has two interfaces for every user. The first is the user admin panel, and the second one is the admin dashboard. The user admin panel is located on MessengerPanda itself, while your admin dashboard, your email solution dashboard, is located on your own server. Now, in this video, I'm going to take you through the user admin dashboard as we have it with MessengerPanda. So how to actually get to the user admin dashboard? The first thing is you are going to register as a user, and you can just log in into your admin dash panel. So enter your email and put in your password, and just enter this captcha keys ZDRCUPE and put in enter. Now once you enter, it's going to take you to the admin dashboard. Now the function of this admin dashboard are basically: one, you see your licenses; two, you see your affiliates and your installation; then you see your support documentations available, FAQ questions, documentation, and you can create an help desk. You can create a ticket if you need any support. Now after this, you may not be needing coming here except if you are an affiliate, or if you wish to be an affiliate, which we encourage you to be an affiliate, because there is money to be made as an affiliate of MessengerPanda, and affiliate marketing is indeed a very easy, lucrative business model that we will talk in a bit. The first thing is the licenses. On the dashboard, you will notice that we have done another authentication model, which is a two-factor authentication, and we have done this in order to further secure your accounts. This, once it is activated, once you click activate, you are going to be receiving a code from your email, the sign up in email. So every time you want to sign up or you want to log in, you would have to activate your utility, your dashboard, and of course you can disable that by clicking disable 2FA, and that gives you the opportunity to further secure your account, so nobody will just come onto your account behind you. Even if they can log in, they will still need that second factor authentication. So you just need to activate this, and that is done. So after that, we will look at the licenses. The licenses are, as explained, you can just get your primary license for 50,000, a block license for 30,000, a discount, okay? And you can also make your block license a resellable license. Yes, you can buy at 30,000 naira and you resell at 50,000 naira, and you make a profit of 20,000 naira. We will deal with the issue of support and every other thing. All you need is just to make your sales and make your money. So how does this go? If you buy a block license and you come to your snapshots, you would see a list of licenses available on your accounts, and you can actually copy the license and give to whosoever wants to use it under load license. You just give to load license, and the person can actually insert the key. Otherwise, you can actually buy a block license as we have it here. You buy a block license as we have it here, and you tell the person you want to sell it to sign up on MessengerPanda, and you would transfer the license to him. Now, the person will first of all sign up with MessengerPanda, okay, by coming to MessengerPanda and register. The person will first of all register with MessengerPanda, and you will now come to transfer license. Under transfer license, you insert the person's email address, that he or she uses to sign up at MessengerPanda, and you enter the license key, the one you get from your load licenses here. So you copy the license key and you then click transfer. The person is going to receive an email explaining that this is the person's email address and this is the license key, and with that person, the person can copy the license key and come and load on his own license. So the person can end up getting this application with a profit margin of 20,000 naira. If you are doing the business with MessengerPanda, you buy block licenses and you will sell, and you have to make your money. That is all under licenses. And if you want to make the payment, you under buy license, you can pay online, which will take you to Paystack. Okay, you just need to select what you are buying. If it's a personal single license or if it's a block license, please go through the instruction here. And if it's personal single license, you select the volume 1, 2, 3 as much as you want, and you click continue license order. By default, if you pay online, your license will automatically be issued. By default, if you pay online, your license will automatically be issued. However, if you pay to the bank, which is the second interface here, here are the bank details of Fetuga Mojeed Olalekun, the owner of MessengerPanda.com. So you just need to enter the amount you have paid, select the bank you paid to. Okay, there are tons of banks available there, and select the license that you want to buy, probably single license of them. Select the volume and enter the dates that you make the payments. Okay, and you log the payment. Now when you log the payment, it will take at least 2 working days, to confirm, because once the bank confirms that the payment has entered into the account, we are going to activate your license and issue your license to you. And this is about licenses, and with this license you can then install the application. Without the license, you cannot be able to install the application. And as we are doing a periodic check of the application utilities, any application that is not licensed would not be able to have those will not be able to run. That is just the implication. So the second interface here is the affiliate. Now affiliate is a very interesting aspect of it. Affiliate is different from block licenses. Block licenses are already getting its own discount at 30,000 naira, while affiliate has its own commission and benefit. So if you click on affiliate, and of course we would encourage every member who joined this application should become an affiliate. What do you need to do? You just need to get this affiliate link and promote it. Okay, promote it on social media channels, on your website, on any form whereby people who click through the affiliate link and purchase our license, you will get commission. And it is the first thing you are going to do before promoting is to set up your payment settings. So you select your bank, and you select your account name and your account number and account name. Please make sure that this information is correct. Please make sure that the information that you provide there is correct. We pay out on a weekly basis every Friday. Once the transaction has been completed, that we make your payment. Okay, and how do you know that the transaction has been completed? If somebody clicks through your link and purchase, once we approve whether it's paying through Paystack online payment, which will automatically approve the payment and issue the license, you would automatically see the number of referrals and the number of total amount earned. And and you would also see the number of payouts that you have received, okay, and the balances that you have with us. So all these are available for all marketers, all registrar. If you just register, you have this opportunity. And the affiliates is a very lucrative business model that everybody should, pick up. You would keep earning as long as somebody clicks through your link and make a purchase. Now, under the affiliates, we have installations. Now, this installation has two options. The first one is request installation, which is the one that is ongoing presently. That you request installation, and you are going to select your admin panel for your server admin panel, and your login details, your server username, without entering your password. No password requested. However, once you enter your username, if you don't know your admin panel, just put others there. Put your URL, your admin URL, your server URL here, and your admin username, the password, and you make request installation. Once you make request installation, we will automatically generate a temporary password for you. Kindly go to your server settings, change your password, and that will enable us to log into your server and install the application in a directory. We are going to install the application in a directory. Okay, that directory will be your admin dashboard, application dashboard. Subsequently, I'm going to do another video explaining that. So we are going to install the application in a directory. We are going to license the application. We are going to set it up for you, and we are going to give you support guides to completing the process. Then the second option is that you download the application. Once you click download, you will see downloading coming up here. Let me cancel this. Now, if you download the application, you will still need to follow a procedure in order to install the application. So for now, what we are encouraging is request installation, so that we can support you and we can make sure that we both have value added. But subsequently, we are going to do video explaining the process of individual person downloading, installing, licensing, and that will free we will just be giving a technical support. And how do we give technical support? First is that we have FAQs available, and we have documentation available for downloads. Okay, the second thing is that we have tickets. Now, if you click on tickets, it means that if you need any support, you can just open a ticket, create a ticket. With a ticket, you are going to tell us the issue, you are going to tell us everything, you put the categories and everything, and you submit. We are going to pick up the tickets, all the active tickets that we have. We are going to pick them up, and once we have successfully answered your queries and your questions, you are going to see all those completed issues, tickets under completed interface. So any support that you need, any questions, anything that you really need, you can interact with us via the ticket helpdesk. So this is the summary of the admin panel, user admin panel, as we have it on MessengerPanda interface. So in the next video, I'm going to now take you through the dashboard on your user end, not on MessengerPanda now. If once we installed on your own end, what are you going to see, and how can you set up the interface, and how can you interact with the interface? And subsequently, after these two videos, the next thing I'm going to be doing is strategies of setting up, of creating, and of integrating MessengerPanda email solution automations with different website page builders. Thank you, and God bless.